Binili ko para sa akin sa kay Nico. The entire trailer. From our subscriber.
Of course, it's sent us something.
Oh, there's the screen. Hello Ray guys! Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Naka-sick leave pa rin ako today and sobrang masakit pa rin yung aking likod and every morning nagkakaroon ako ng heartburn. Hindi ako nakakatulog ng maayos. Kaya naka-sick leave pa rin ako. Pero bukas na pala yung moving day nila. Sinusundan ako ni Pino. Bukas na pala yung moving day nila Carlos and ni Lisa. And merong physical therapist na appointment si Nico bukas ng umaga. So, ako yung tutulong sa kanila doon. Ang gagawin is dadalhin itong trailer. But, never pa ako nakapag-drive na may trailer guys. Yung car, oo. Pero yung may trailer na nakarugtong, never pa. So, magpa-practice ako today para hindi tayo madisgrasya bukas. Pwede naman mag-drive dito guys ng may trailer basta meron kang driver's license. Yung ganitong klase lang na trailer, yung maliit lang. Eh, maka-practice to tayo. Si Nico ang magtuturo. Don't get hermos to like you're driving this wrong way. Kasi nung nag-aaral ako ng driving kay si Nico man ang teacher ko no. Ay maglalis jud mi pud usahay. Kay lahi jud diyang rules. Ana. So by the book jud siya. Tapos yun. Natuto din naman talaga ako and I got my license thanks to Daddy. Thanks to Daddy I got my license. Yeah. So ang ginagawa ni Nico today guys is hinahakot yung the rest of the firewood dito sa labas. Pasok dun sa loob ng storage and ako naman is nagtupi ng mga gamit namin doon sa loob ng bahay. So, nakaandar na tayo guys. Yung makina hindi pa pala. How to close this Daddy? Okay? Like that. So, how should I turn?
Yeah, normal. It's just maybe the left and the right.
Like wider turn?
Niin, white turns. Ja sitten
Okay.
katso peiliä aina, että
The cart is following. It's not going on a different direction. Okay. I'll try my best. I survived it, guys. So, marunong na ako mag-drive na merong cart sa likod ng sasakyan. So, bukas ako na talaga ang magdadrive kasi baka matagalan si Nico or malate si Nico. Tapos na mag-load kay Carlos or kay Elisa ng mga gamit para ma-transfer na agad doon sa bahay nila. Kasi kung meron pa silang mga bagay na kailangan bilihin, mabibili namin after sa paglipat kasi umaga kami bukas. So, meron silang ano doon, yung Europress. Dito din sa Lamina S Market and mga home market guys. Walang dumpster dito kasi naka Europress or yung malaking container yung kanilang basurahan dito. Pero punta tayo dito sa S Market kasi di ba kahapon meron na kaming ref. Wala kaming gatas guys. Wala kaming juice. So bibili tayo ng maraming gatas and juice today. Papasok tayo dito sa loob. Bibilihin natin is mga juice lang naman, gatas, mga drinks, ganyan lang. Kasi the rest of the stuff meron naman sa bahay. Bili tayo ng cheese guys. Yung cheese na ginagamit namin sa bahay. Para meron ng ready. Bili tayo nito. Saka ito. Dalawa na agad-agad. Para hindi pa balik-balik sa tindahan ba. Parang gusto ko yung isang hindi itong color red. Kasi meron kami ganito sa bahay isa. Ito na lang. Kaya mayus to. Cream cheese. Tapos gatas of course, lactose free. Yung light milk lang ang bibilihin natin. Pili tayo ng mga 4 or 5 para hindi na pabalik-balik sa store ba. Ayan, so meron na tayong 6 na gatas. Tapos, bili din tayo ng mga juice. Sabi yung mga juice nila, yung mga drinks, andoon. Para meron ng stock sa bahay. Sobrang daming mga ano dito, oh. Or lahat ng yan, guys. Bibili lang man namin yan sa Habiki. Ay, kailangan din pala namin ng oil. Wala na kaming oil sa bahay. Ito lang. Yung murang oil lang man ang binibili ko. Kasi for frying. Pero alam nyo yung ganito ko. Abot ito na 2 buwan. Kasi hindi kasi kami masyado nagpiprito. May naka-sale dito, guys. Also, merong na free bottles, 5 euros. So, bili tayo nito. Yung mga sugar free ang bibilhin ko. Sugar free. Tapos itong Fanta laman. Tilawa na to tanan nilang Fanta. Fantastic. Ayan. Mga drinks lang lahat ang bibilhin ko kasi meron naman kami sa bahay, guys, na mga low calories, 5% may huwa. Ito na lang kasi sugar free. Oh, yan. Bili din tayo nitong alcohol, guys. Pang weekend ni Nico. Are. Ayan. Pero alam nyo, hindi naman ito maubos lahat. Isa lang or 2 ang iinumin niya dyan. Hindi man kasi yan siya naglalasing. Ay, ito yung gusto niya pala. San Miguel beer. Gusto niya daw ito, guys. San Mig. Meron dito sa Finland. Isang ganito bilihin natin. Parang ito na lang man. Ito, oh, San Mig. Ito. Kasi nagustuhan ito ni Nico, guys. San Miguel beer. Sabi ko sa kanya, ganito man ang inumin ng Pinoy. Ayan. So, bili tayo niyan. 8 na lang, guys. Bilihin, tama na siguro yung 5. Tama na yan. Bili din tayo nito kasi nakasale siya ngayon. Dati itong $2.85 pero 99 cents na lang siya ang per bottle. Ito is para siyang Gatorade, guys, sa atin. Ito. Exe. Lemon lime or Halo Yuwama. Ito. Mga drinks lang talaga ang bibilin. Wala nang iba. May tayo ng 5 piraso. Hala, nahulog ang nila. Tag, ibabalik ko. Tapos yung mga juice, guys, ni Anika, bili din tayo. Yung gusto niya na juice, yung mumurahin lang na juice, guys. Ayaw niya ng mamahaling na juice. Yung mga co-op lang yan sa kanya. Happy na siya dyan. Ayan yung mga extra. Ganyan lang ang juice niya, guys. Ayaw niya yung mga ganyan na mahal na juice. Pero dati yung Marley, pero ngayon ayaw niya na. Wala na nga dito yung blueberry na juice. Carpalo. So itong bilihin natin, guys, tong orange juice. Magkano ba ito dito? Ito, oh. Ito yun eh. Ito yung gusto niya. So bili tayo nito, guys. Tag €1.29 lang ito. Bili tayo ng 3 or 4 na ganito. Ayan. Ano pa bang iba? 139 extra, 129. So din ito ni Anika and Nico. Mga mumurahin lang na juice man ang ginainom ng dalawa, guys. Ayaw na lang uminom ng itong ganito. Ay, hindi nila yan gusto. Mas lalo na si Anika, ganito lang yung gusto niya. Yan, so meron na tayo ditong apple. Ano pa bang iba? Pear. Ewan ko kung magustuhan ni Anika yung pear, uy. Pero bili na lang din tayo. Pear. Na na juice. Ito sugar-free sokeriton. Ito ba? Well, hindi ko na alam ano pang bibiliin. Ito Metsa. Ito pala yung mixed berries. Oh. Metsa Maria Yuama. Ito. Mga mumurahin lang man guys sa mga juice namin. Kami namimili ng mahal. Bili na tayo ng rice guys. Yung rice namin is ganits. 1 kilo lang. Nanyo ang rice dito is 2.25 ang per kilo. Pero ito lang isang bibilin ko kasi isang buwan yan sa amin 1 kilo kasi minsan lamang kami mag-rice. Pili din tayo ng eggs. Yung itlog. Ito ang bilhin natin. Isot, Vapan, kanan munat. Big free range eggs. Chicken eggs. Puno na yung cart natin guys. Bili din tayo nitong oat drink para sa aking smoothie. Itong kaura oat. Yan. Bilhin na rin natin ang ice cream yung dalawa guys. Si Anika, ganito lang man ang gusto niya. Ganito. Tapos kay Nico is yung salmiakki. Maghanap tayo ng salmiakki na ice cream. Saan ang salmiakki? Magnum na lang guys. Binili ko para sa akin siya kay Nico. Ano na yung cart ko guys. But I know this is more than 10 euros of course. Alam naman natin na kapag sa normal store at hindi heavy key is mahal talaga. Ganito karami guys. Alam nyo ba magkano to lahat? 96 euros to lahat guys. Ito lang. Isipin nyo kung ganito ako mamili. Mga drinks lang guys. Pang 1 buwan sa bahay. Minsan nga hindi to abutin ng 1 buwan kasi malakas kami sa gatas talaga. Sobrang laki ng nagagastos namin sa pagkain talaga guys. And I'm so thankful na meron talagang Habi Kirwa Kapayka na nakakatipid kami. Nang malaki talaga yung natitipid namin. Akala ni Nico, we need the entire trailer. No, not yet. When I have lots of money, then I'll go shopping with the entire trailer. And you'll say, stop, 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 mommy, stop now. But yeah, this is good that we have a bigger fridge. We can store more stuff. See, look what I bought for you. Do you have a lot?
It is.
You have a lot of drinks there? Where did you put? I didn't see anything.
No, not the beer, but I have this spirit.
You have spirits. And then this is different.
Still from Norway.
Okay. So I bought lots of milk. Yay! That is like extra. Si Sailu. Diba? Kitos. Hindi kami nakapagdala ng bag, pero okay lang, sa bahay na lang namin yan i-transfer. I'm gonna return this cart. Can you keep this in the car? Kitos. So, ibabalik natin tong cart, guys. Hindi natin to iiwan dito, of course. Kung saan natin to kinuha, doon din natin siya ibabalik. Meron namang tindahan mas malapit doon sa amin, guys. Doon sa Sale. Pero pinili ko na dito kami bumili sa S-Market sa Lami. Kasi mas mura kasi dito, guys, compare sa Sale. Though, S-Group din yon, but Sale is a smaller shop. Dito sa Finland, yung mga smaller shop is mas expensive sila compare sa mga normal stores. Kaya mas mabuti talaga na mamili sa mga S-Market or sa City Market. Yung mga kokaw pa na maliliit, medyo mahal din yan siya guys compare sa S Market. Tapos yung mga sale, alepa, mas expensive yun. Pero kung papunta naman kami ng city, usually Lidl o kaya Prisma ako namimili kasi doon mas cheaper siya compare sa ibang mga stores and mas maraming options. Pero pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Finland and naghahanap kayo ng pinakamurang shop, doon sa Lidl or Lidl ang tawag nila sa Finnish or Lidl. German shop siya guys. Yung mga products nila is mga German goods. Meron ding Finnish goods pero hindi lang siya kompleto ng mga ibang mga gulay ganun. Pero yung pinakamura talaga na sobrang jackpot ka talaga. Doon talaga sa Havikirwa kapay ka. Mas cheap talaga doon kasi 10 euros lang. Tiba-tiba na sa groceries. So magdadrive na naman ako guys. Pabalik tayo sa bahay. Are we going to practice? Or no? Maybe not here. I don't know how to reverse the car yet.
Where's the caravan park?
Okay, let's go there. I don't know how to reverse this one yet. So, we're going to practice how to reverse the car with the cart.
Hello, Ray.
Hello Ray guys, good afternoon. So it's me and Nico and I'm gonna be speaking in English so he understands, no Finnish. Having headache when I speak in Finnish, literally. So guys, we got a gift from our subscriber. Look what we got. So we are going to unbox this one. This is one of the things that I've been planning to buy for a very long time. And thank God we have a good subscriber who gave us this one. So we will keep it anonymous. Who is that person? So we are going to unbox this one. So we got the GoPro 11. We wanted to get the GoPro 12, but the GoPro 12, what was the difference? It's only 50 euros.
Yeah, there's no like difference of like equipment this side.
Yeah. There was a, what you call that one? There was no SD card, plus there's not much difference, just the price. To our subscriber for this GoPro. So we also got the tripod and the GoPro 11, Daddy? Yeah, it's GoPro 11. So we are going to unbox this both today so we can use it. Which one are you going to unbox first?
Maybe this.
Okay.
I think this no need to tool.
Yeah. It's very new. I don't want to open it. But Nico said we need to open it.
Of course, if some subscriber sent us something, of course.
But I don't want to open it. Oh, there's a bag.
Is there some special?
Yeah.
Should be here.
This is one of the reason we went to Giganti. For this one, we checked and we got it there. Our subscriber helped us to buy this one. Yay! What is that there? So this is the kit. Ooh. Oh, that's the GoPro now. Wow. Uy, there's the camera already. Yay. Oh, there's the screen. How about the other side? What is
this
that?
is the charger and the data.
Okay, to connect
Maybe.
on the computer.
I think this is this
What is that?
like a place it's not sliding.
Okay.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, I think that's the one. You
No,
need
that's
to
not
mount it
open.
there What else is in there? What is that?
The battery.
That's the battery. Galing pa talaga. Nico just came from outside, guys. He was gathering our firewood and I called him so we will unbox this together. Oh, this is the battery now. I think
this is just pulling this
okay.
battery off, I think.
Okay. So maybe you can try to put it there.
Well, maybe.
What else inside? I think what is that, Daddy? I don't know.
Is this something for the stand, maybe?
That I don't know.
Oh, is this turning here?
Ah.
But it's need I think.
Ah, it's like that. Ah, nyt se on paikallaan. It's now in place. Oh yeah. How about the battery? How to put the battery?
Se on varmaan täällä. Usually it's good to read first like manuals and then do it.
Like the Finnish way, read the manual first. Okay, let's do it then. Read the manual first.
Or maybe I think the size is about here, so
This is one of the things that I've been planning to buy, guys. But thank God, get a blessing.
I think this needs something.
Magbabasa na muna, guys, si Nico ng manual. How to do it. What is this?
Subscribe GoPro.com.
Okay.
Tuossa on
English.
battery coming here on the
side.
Maybe it's just here. It needs some
I think it can be pulled.
or something.
I pull it
Press
up. Yeah. I pull it up and then it crack open.
Okay. I think this is need to press because
Yeah, you need to press it.
not lift. Just a
Oh.
hook. No need. Let's see. Here is this battery. Maybe put the card first. Let's go there.
How much is the memory of the card, Daddy?
For this is what coming in the package. It's 64 gigabits.
Okay. 64 GB. Can buy bigger one. 125, 126. What was the next one?
Maybe.
126 something was the next one, I think.
Maybe.
Can buy extra.
And when content is full, just put the new one and the extra battery.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-huh. No need. Now let's see which way this is put in here. Is this the ohje?
Ohoye, guys,
Is it
in
like,
Finnish is instruction.
No.
Ohoye.
It's like a
Finns are like that.
cutted place inside.
They always want to look the instruction all the time before they do something. They always follow things. Need to push it, I think, Daddy.
Because it should like a knocks. Or is this the... Okay.
So the memory is in.
Hmm.
So we're going to
This
put the
one.
battery.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we're going to make a setup for this. How we want to make our video. Like the quality of the video.
Yeah. Did you pull it?
Yeah, I
like,
pull
up
it
or-
up from here and then it crack open.
Ah, okay.
It's like a lock.
Okay.
Yeah. No, it's there.
Ui.
Uy.
I know it's there like some
What is, yeah, what it says?
of battery.
GoPro 11 Black. Yay! We now got a GoPro. Hey, we can use this for water as well, but we need to buy the cover so water will not go inside.
Should like be water resistant, but I think it's not a good idea.
Yeah.
Trust.
Yeah. It's better to buy the cover, the protector. We'll buy some of the accessories later when we have money.
Now it's asked for language. I think this is something German.
No, like that in English. Daddy.
Yeah.
Let's put English. Svenska. Swedish.
Yeah, this is English. There is no Finnish in here.
No need. There's no Finnish. Yes, there's no Finnish.
And no Filipino.
And no Filipino as well. And what it says?
I agree terms of use available GoPro. Of course, we
Are we going to disagree?
We need to. I think it's not allowed to go as further.
Yeah, we need to agree.
What is the ask?
Yeah. Turn on to tag your footage with location, speed, altitude, and more. On. I got off.
Oh yeah, this is give a location automatically of your footage, but maybe you can add it. Maybe it's
maybe
better.
off.
We don't want to share our location. We are like
Our location is in Finland, Hämeenkoski, that's all.
turn off tag footage with location speed.
Yeah.
Yo.
We're trying to set up this one, guys. This will take a long time.
Let's see.
On. Daylight saving time.
What it mean?
It's
not so
now
bright.
this time. It's this time now.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo. And then the
What's
date.
the date? What day is today?
Yay! It's now working, guys. But there's not enough battery. It's only 14%. So we will not be able to use this one right away today. We'll be needing to charge it.
But we can make 2 hour 51 minute content.
Yeah, there's a 1 hour or something to make a content already. Oh, it's amazing. This battery can last longer than my
Yeah,
phone.
very much of and need like a
Space.
and getting know all these things.
Yeah, we'll try to look at that later. But maybe, Daddy, let's open that tripod as well and let's try to fix it there on the camera. So this is the tripod.
Lifetime warranty.
Oh, is it? This is a GoPro product. Oh, this is also GoPro. Oh.
Is
Okay.
this what What?
So this is the stand now. So ito na yung stand ng camera, guys. Ayan, yeah, the tripod. But how are we going to put it there on top?
Just here.
There's no need of that. What is that slider thing? No need for that?
What slider?
That slider thing there? Don't need it?
I think this is. I don't know what is this.
I can see myself there in the camera, guys. It's actually... It's not running, but it's actually on as of the moment.
No, I don't know. Thank you very much of this product. I think this is come for use as we learn it.
Yeah,
To
we
use
can
it.
make nice videos. Nico is
Yes.
going to make his own video when he go fishing.
Yeah, I sure can. Maybe because this is waterproof. I filming a fish, and then when I come home, I say I have an accident. It's like water or sink bottom of the lake.
It's so nice that you put it facing you. Facing you. You can see yourself there.
Here's this front camera.
Yeah, see? Uy, so din ihana. Kaunis. Yay, we got now a GoPro, guys. So we are so happy that we have something that we can use. And it comes with a kit like this. So when we go travel, Daddy, there's a kit for the camera that we can use as well. So nice. We still need to figure out how to use this stuff. We need to make the setup, charge it first because it's only 12% battery.
If you guys have like there's a tuber in there, you can write their comments.
Yeah.
Like tips.
How to use it.
If you guys have like a knowledge.
Yeah. I Julie have a GoPro 11 as well. We can ask from Julie how she uses it.
Yeah.
So it's our first time to have this kind of camera. Yay! So we can take a lot of videos when you go hunting, Daddy. Can we put that on Pimo's neck?
I don't know.
When Pimo run in the forest?
Maybe no.
Maybe there's a different camera that we can use when Pimo go run in the forest.
My friend have that, but actually there's nothing to see when it's just
When it's just running, right?
Because usually the dog don't see what he's
They smell.
chasing me. The sense is more than the eyes.
Yeah, the senses, like the sense of smell.
Yeah,
Now you know how to open it.
No,
Yeah, no,
but it's
Steve.
very tight.
Yeah, it's very tight. But we need to buy the waterproof cover for that, the casing, so we don't make accident when it's dropped on the water or something.
Need
Yeah,
if we go
like swimming or something. Yeah.
But hey, let's put this to charge.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much to our supporter, to our subscriber who bought us this GoPro. It's been my long time plan to buy a camera like this, but I'm always hesitant. We couldn't afford it. We always have something that comes up, and now we have a camera that we can use and make more videos. We will try our best to make daily vlogs as much as we can. So
This is totally like a amateur content. We are not.
yeah, amateur
Professional.
ni Kila.
What you see, it's real life.
Ni Seon. Yeah, Nico's going fishing today, Daddy. Yeah,
yes.
Nico's going fishing, but we are not going because I'm not really feeling that well. But I'm staying home and I'll be figuring out how to use this GoPro. Thank you so much, everyone. Oops. Uy, It takes a photo. Nagugulat kami. OMG. Yeah, now we have a GoPro, guys. Thank you so much. We'll end the vlog here, guys. Nico is so tall. I'm so short. Thank you so much for watching our vlogs. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We changed it to the Lindemans because that is our last name, really, rather than Creamy Creations. So it's Creamy Creations. We are still the same individuals. It's me and Nico and Anika and our dog and our friends. But we changed it to our last name, Lindemans. Lindeman, that's our last name, the Lindemans. So for all of you who are wondering where is Creamy Creations, it's still there, it's still us, but we just have a new name, the Lindemans. It's us, Nico, Violi, Anika, Pimo, and our friends. So thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Hey, hey! One kiss, Daddy. Nico came home, guys, with a big fish. Wow! No, it's very big. It's hauki. Wow!
I think that I let it back, but I think
This is good enough size.
I take this.
Yeah, wow, great job. It's a big one. How long did it take to catch this?
This was last. I was going home already.
Really? Oh, great job. Wow.
I'll go clean it.
Okay. Kitos, Daddy. Oh, it's a big one.